What's going on, everybody? VCDiesel, and we are at Resorts Casino, and we are going to check out the Margaritaville Cheeseburger. So let's see what it's got to offer. If he doesn't like the song, if he doesn't, I kind of know what to expect, but let's see how it is. See you guys in there.
That big beach chair right here. Okay. Here, I'll get you guys in the beach chair. Look at us. Get me. Get me, Daddy.
So as you can see, Margaritaville is very colorful and very fun. They have some character cutouts, they have parrot head nostalgia everywhere, different inanimate wildlife, Jimmy's Plane, a very nice bar, nice eat-in area, and live music. This place is probably popping in the summertime. Margaritaville has an updated and much nicer menu than they had when I had come here when they first opened, long before my burger reviews. Speaking of which, the house burger, a double cheeseburger in paradise, looks and sounds like a sailor's dream to me. $23.99 and 1,150 calories. I couldn't wait to see this presentation, and let me tell you, this did not disappoint. This thing was a mammoth. Now, because it's a chain restaurant, they don't cook it any rarer than medium well. No Munster either. It came with American cheese, lettuce, tomato, ketchup, and fresh pickles. It had everything else from the salt. This behemoth was delicious. It took me a while, so good thing they had live music, and I had the absolutely delicious Don't Stop the Carnival frozen drink. From the presentation, to the medium well burger, to the price, everything was fantastic. I give this burger a very solid 8. Definitely a diesel burger. And I'll be back next time I'm in town and hungry. Till then, thanks for watching. I'm VCDiesel, and remember, if life gives you limes, make margaritas. Thanks, Jimmy.